Currently May 4th, I'm here at the insured property of Mr. John Morris. We're going to be going ahead and repairing his roof today per State Farm's initial estimate of a repair for all of the damaged shingles on this roof. We have our damaged shingle right here. You can see there's a wind crease running along the top of that shingle. This shingle's damaged. These two lines, this shingle is connected to these tabs as well, making this our scope of work area. We're going to go ahead and do a repair. There were some previous repairs done on this roof. If you follow me over here, somebody repaired this section at one point, but it looks like these shingles were damaged. You can see there's creasing going along the tops of these shingles where somebody had tried to repair this shingle. So my hopes for a repair on this roof are not high. But we're going to be going ahead and doing it anyways. So pass the camera off here. All right. Start by removing our seals. All right. We're going to go ahead and remove the nails. Being gentle with these shingles, not lifting them any higher than I need to, just to, get the nails out so I can actually see what's going on. Old shingle came out nice and easy. Looks like a CertainTeed shingle. Now we'll go ahead and take our new shingle, slide it in. Once again, when I'm nailing this shingle back in, being gentle, not to lift it any higher than I need to, but just high enough that I can get this hammer in there without actually hitting the top of this shingle, to ensure the success of this repair. Now I've completed the repair. You can see that if I just brush away the loose granules here, you'll see that there's creasing that is shown along the tops of almost all of these shingles. There's some sort of light creasing, so you can see creasing running along there. We've got creasing running from kind of the center of this one going out. Got a little bit on the corner of this shingle. You can see we've got creasing along the corner there, starting here, going down that whole shingle, And here as well, same thing, got creasing, and up here as well. So this repair clearly failed. This roof is irreparable. Any further attempt to repair this roof will only cause more damage to the roof. As shown, you can see we've got damage on this roof in areas closer towards the eaves. So take, per se, a shingle like this. If we're gonna repair this shingle, right, it's gonna cause damage to the shingles above that. If we go and repair those shingles, it's gonna cause damage to the shingles above that, kind of going up the whole roof, forming a sort of chain reaction that definitely warrants a full roof replacement. Once again, this roof cannot be repaired. Any attempt to do so will only cause further damage to our insured's property. Definitely warrants a full roof replacement. Thank you and have a nice day.